I'm back doing another channel of the Animal Jams, and as you know, the other time I pictured another video, so today I'm going to do another one. So let me get this second. Okay. Mom can go. You can go. So, I got the little note here, and I got another one, but it's a different color, and that's a little cub lion, and she has a pink bow. I mean purple bow. Wait, let me see where it goes. Actually, it goes on her tail. And she has a little feeding bow. Let me get the next one. Mine's gonna open that one. So that one's really cute. And we got the notes again, and we have a butterfly. This is a beautiful butterfly, and she's rare, and I think she's one of the mystery ones. So she has a beautiful flower pot, and what she wears is a little rocket ship. First, let me say one more thing. Subscribe and give me some fan mail.